Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 6 on our Daniel fast. Yes, and today's recipe too is simple, awesome and healthy. So before the recipe, let's look at the Bible verses. I made use of Daniel 6 and Psalm 129, and our quote for today reads, "With God the future is already history." And so day 6 we are going to have some beetroot salad. You are going to love every bit of it. So please do subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment. So this is my salad dressing, my mango salad dressing that I'm going to use. Check on the description box for a link to how to make that salad dressing. So we are working on our veggies. Yes, so this is it. Yes, we are done with our beetroot salad and we are going to add herbal tea to it. This herbal tea is a mixture of corn silk and another herb that I've forgotten the name, but you can use only corn silk to make the tea, or lemongrass, or any herbs, yes, to make your herbal tea. Or you can just add water or a cup of almond milk or soya milk to it, and that will be okay. Yes, so this is it. Subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.